5'9" category division. First 5 for Marzon. Number 13, Lucky Pagar. Number 28, Navarro. Number 77, Mendoza. Number 5, Bonilla. And number 42, Labor. First 5 for Trojan Oil. General. Pamular. Number 45. Number 30 is Nani. And number 4, Majiri. Okay, let's begin our final game. Ayon, Tambikan General. Pass to Majiri, open. Pass to Majiri. Pass to ayun no, basket count. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza, the left-handed Sablay. General. Pass to Isnani, 3-on-1 situation. Pass to Majiri. Pass to Pamular. Pass to Monilla. Angat, Sablay. Rebound. Ayun. Last touch. No. Isnani, tinawid. Pass to Majiri. Open for 3. Bang! Majiri for 3. Ayun, nice defense coming from General. Time out. Marzon. Ayun, Majiri receiving the basket. Asnani, pass to Pamular. Ayun, Padilla. Mendoza, pass to Villanueva, Sumablay. And General. Ayun, Pamular. Pass to Asnani. Pass to Majiri. Majiri, ayun. At bang end 1. Basket count. Foul number 6. Meru. First personal foul. Bonus shot for Majiri. Ayun, basket coming from Majiri. Importante siya sa laban. Romangkaya. Mendoza for 3. Overshoots. Ayun, rebound Majiri. And Mendoza, ayun, Sablay. Majiri, basket count. Sumablay. And Majiri. Pass break play. Pass to General. Basket count. Time out. Bola ng Marzon. Depensa ang Trojan Oil.
25,000 viewers natin dyan. Salamat po sa inyong pagsusuporta sa panunood na Sindikato League.
Mayroong ibang lista. Receiving the ball. 147. Navarro. Pass to Villanueva. Sumablay. Rebound Majiri. At meron ng foul. Ayon, Pamular. Ganda ng assist sa Majiri. 4-2. 4-3. Sablay. Rebound. Ayun, Majiri dribbling the ball. Ayun, pass to number 30. Pass to General. Time. Panglista dribbling the ball. Pass to Nuki. Ayun, nice defense. Ayun na. And number 30 lilipan. Basket count. Ayun, Majiri, dudukot, basket count, coming from Majiri, for 2.
Quarter, lamang po ang Trojan Oil ng half shot. Isa lang po.
Lalintik na makuha ng tubig. Nakakasampu yan.
Pass to Labor. Pass to Nuki. Back to Monilla. Erase. Ball. Ayun, pass to Majiri, open. Basket count coming from Majiri for two. 5 minutes remaining. Pangular. Pass to Majiri, open. Pass to Gega. Gega, back to Majiri. Basket count coming from Majiri for two. And 1 point lead. And Pangular. Pass to Isnani. Isnani dribbling the ball. Isnani pa rin hawak ang bola. Shot clock 14. Isnani for three. Bang! 28 seconds. 24. Ayun, congratulations, Barson. 5'9" category champion. Kamayan tayo mga idols. Kamayan tayo. Kamayan tayo mga lodi. Magkikita-kita pa rin kayo sa court. Kamayan. Ayun.